Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we are going to download and install Davinci Resolution. It is a software for video editing. You can use Davinci Resolution free version for basic editing, and if you want to switch for advanced editing then you can go for paid version. Okay, first of all you have to open your favorite browser for downloading and installing the Davinci Resolution and type the Vinci resolution download and then click on and hit enter, and here you can see the first website. Just click on that, and for downloading DaVinci you have to just scroll down, or you can see the download option here also. I just go down, scroll down. Here you can see the download option. First is free version and second is paid version. You can see the paid version is 26,980. It is lifetime license. You can buy for one time. You don't need to pay for subscription base or annual basis. Okay. Now first you have to click on this if you want to download for free. If you want download for paid version, then you can click on here. I just click here, and here you can choose the beta version or you can download the stable version. I just download the stable version. Click here, choose the operating system and click the download option, and here you have to provide some detail: your first name, last name, company name, then email id, phone number, and select the state, city, and after that just click on register and download. It will start download. Okay, I already downloaded, that's why I just open my explorer and just unzip this and unzip with WinRAR. Extract the file, just click on OK. Here you can see our file is successfully unzipped. Just double click on it and you can see the application. Just double click on that. Okay, and after that I minimize the other files. It takes some time, have patience, and it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, just click on yes. Here just click on install. Just click on yes, click on OK. Now here just click on next, click on I accept and click on next. Then if you want to change the destination folder, just change by using this change button. Otherwise just click on next. Click on install now. Now here just click on finish. You want to restart your computer if you complete the installation process of DaVinci Resolution to use the application. Okay, Now I just click on no. You can click on yes because I'm making the video. That's why it will interrupt. That's why I click no. Okay. Okay. Now you can see our DaVinci resolution is successfully installed in our Windows machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.